if you tap drum kits, they got a load of drum kits in that, and then I got this I got the Timbaland Metro Boom. Let me see all this shit too. So, yeah.
Let me see.
Oh my goodness.
This is I'm just looking for. Let me see.
How was for you?
Shit, it was smooth. Like, shit, you good. A lot of good experience figuring out what people like and shit like that. Networking. Like, shit, I've done a couple beat battles. Like, all been just like smooth, meeting a bunch of people, get to holler at the judges and shit. Because the judges, they're already like normally in the industry.
Yeah,
So,
he told me, he like TM.
You gonna do it?
Yeah, I told him. I don't know if you heard the beat that I had played when I got in here. I'm gonna definitely play that.
Shit, I just say
I'm bringing heat. So
have a bunch. Like
I'm trying to make 80 before
bet.
April.
That's a good
Cause I was like, when I watched Cam 112, and I saw him do it, I'm like, dang, you fucking my bad debate. You gotta be ready for real. Like, all of them gotta be hard, cause you never know. Yeah, man, I'm at the right time. So yeah, that's what I've been working on. I've only been making beats like 2.5 years.
Shit, ain't no only, bro. I mean, shit.
Man, I ain't take it serious until I got out of school, though, because I was always busy, so I couldn't learn everything I wanted to.
Yeah.
Like, but now since I got time and stuff like that, it's much easier to come to me a little bit easier, faster and stuff like that. And then it's me and you and other folks, right? Be like, okay.
So you get you got an advantage knowing how to play keys.
Yeah, that's what everybody tell me. It was like,
Yeah.
bro, you know the keys. I'm like, I know the keys a little bit. I'm trying to improve, like, way, like how I used to be. I used to move fluent. Now I'm like, I just gotta go by my ear.
Yeah.
I used to, like, I knew the chord progression, like, motherfucker, but, you know, once
Bro, I'm
you
telling
use it,
you.
you lose it. You don't use it, you lose it. So, yeah, I'm trying to.
This shit gonna come in handy. I'm telling you.
Yeah.
For sure, because motherfuckers be needing melodies.
I heard.
And just getting the like I was telling you, like I be using MIDI when I be making loops and shit like that.
Mhm.
As long as that shit, you know what I'm saying, royalty free, I ain't gotta worry about trying to clear it with nobody. And it be shit I be buying. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So shit, just send that shit out.
Yeah.
I got a bunch of placements like that just from not even being in the session. Motherfuckers just cooked my shit. Because for me, it's like, especially with the R&B shit, I don't really be liking like my R&B drums like that. So, yeah.
How long you been locked in with Jugman?
Shit, about like 2 years?
Yeah.
2 years. Yeah, man. I really I work here and shit.
Type shit.
Yeah.
So you part of Ear Snatchers type shit.
Yeah, man. Ear Snatchers the gang, man.
Yeah, shit, nigga, I thought Ear Snatchers was a person. Literally. I was like, who the fuck is Ear Snatchers, nigga? Like, I'm seeing Ear Snatchers and shit. I'm like, who the fuck is that? And then I was like, oh, okay, it's a group. Okay.
Popping label right now. Producer shit.
You playing this one right now?
Yeah.
Okay. That D sharp, I'm gonna take it down. Take it down the key.
Okay. I need to be learning theory. I don't be knowing that.
That's the other problem, bro. So I know the church theory, like 6251 and a 251, and it's a bunch. It's just really numbers, and I ain't never been a math person. Like I excelled in school because I could do it, but I didn't like it. You know what I'm saying? So like shit like that, I ain't even fucking for real. But
I have get you my guy Cam. He play keys too, from like church and shit.
Okay, I'm trying to learn some new shit, bro. Cause I'm trying to up my piano game a little bit better. Cause I used to be I would be super five, but shit just fell down the wayside. So
See, what you did is hard though.
Yeah, but you know I grew up around niggas that like play shit for real. Like niggas that some church musicians. Like I don't know if you ever heard a dude named Bart Orr or Tim Mason, shit like that. Like them niggas. Yeah, like shit like that. So like seeing them niggas, I'm like, I'm trying to get on that level. That shit.
I feel it. That is a whole level. That's cool.
I just trying to see what kid was in. Think that's right, kid?
I know Alvy gonna fuck that up though, for sure.
Yeah, like I'm gonna play the shit that he. I don't think he sent it to me. Yeah, when Alvy heard me play some, it's crazy. I came in here one time, and me and Alvy was talking, and his brother was in here too.
Yeah.
He was like and he was like yeah, but what you doing? I produce live, so. But he was cooking up. I just finished. So he had that's what I think the one that
it's some Snappo shit for sure.
Go hard on you. I'll just make sure it don't go hard. But yeah, I was chilling. Then he was like, "You want to cook up?" I'm like, "Yeah, shit." So I got him keys. Like, "Oh, you play keys?" When he got his guitar, we made some shit.
That's hard.
Yeah, he went stupid on this one. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy.
Yeah, man.
That's crazy.
That shit was crazy. I'm trying to remember what other one he did. I could have did better on the piano, but it's all good. It'll do.
No, that one was crazy too. another section of the loop where you could like pitch it?
Yeah, I was gonna turn it down when I got in the when I broke it down because I don't like the highs for real. 'Cause it's annoying to me.
I'm not mad. I'm just telling
You addicted to outside, short dresses, long rides, new pics, same lies, heart cold and you fried. You having drinks on the roof, same crew, same moves. You love to chase, you call it freedom. You don't need them niggas, you don't need them niggas, and I don't need them bitches. But I keep them close just to flex for the picture. Truth is, we lonely, we cover it up with riches. All I need is motivation just to go and get it. I'm really having all this ice, I'm really looking fitted. Every time I make a hit, they point to me that did it. Labels calling back to back, I'm feeling reinvented. Meanwhile, you outside, you supposed to be in the kitchen. Fuck all that misogyny shit, I'm pressed by the way you drive that boat, little bitch, I'm not impressed. I'm not saying you should always be at the crib, but if your home ain't really peaceful, then what's the point trying to live? Yeah, she played that Summer Walker in the summer. Her ass always acting single, crying about a lover. You posting all these thirst traps like that's gonna get you a nigga. I'm posting records on the gram, that's gonna get me them figures. I got bitches on my dick, they always trying to be triggered. I got niggas talking shit, I guess that mean I'm that nigga. All that hate is sound loud when your bag getting bigger. It's funny how they switch up on you when you turn to a winner. Yeah. Shit. Let's go. Summer vibe.